So now we are going to look at some more special cases of subquery. And what are some of those SQL constructs which you can use to write neat code? And also we can go beyond, say, a CTE or these kind of different subqueries. We will look into some more examples. So you can see in your database, there are two tables, employee data and employee scans. Just do a select star from employee data. Let's run this. It has a record of a bunch of employees. And similarly, you have employee scans. So the second one basically talks about, okay, which employee were signed in and signed out. So this person, this employee signed in on 28th of March at 8:53 p.m. AM and signed out at 10:25 p.m. And it's the office scan. So you go to office and you scan in, scan out, and all those things you do, right? So it's all the information about that. And it's COVID times, right? And employees are asked, after post-COVID, employees are asked to come to office. Some of the employees say, hey, we don't want to come, or say we will come later. So company has made a mandate that you should come at least once, right? So the goal is to find out all the employees which have signed in the office at least once, right? Goal is to find out the list of employees who have signed in at least once. Yeah. So same way, but we will use a different approach here. Okay. Yes, that we have already done. So that is definitely an approach. But what we are going to with this scenario, I'm going to introduce exists, not exists clause, which in many ways, if you read about it a bit, it also is a nice way of getting these kind of solving these kind of where all we are looking for is existence of something or not existence of something, right? So what we're trying to do is another way of subquerying. Yes, Deepika, no problem. So what we're going to do is say select star from, and this will be employee data, where exists, right? And here you can say select employee code. So employee code from employee scans. And here we mentioned where this for employee scans, I'll give an alias es.employee code equal to, and here I'll have to give another alias as ed.employee ID. I think that's what it is. Employee ID, right? And if I do this, these are the three guys who have signed in at least once. Exists, all it does is it goes into the subquery, and first existence of that of the record, it comes out of the subquery, prints it out. Okay, so if you can always use exists clause to basically solve these kind of problems where all you're looking for is something existing or not existing. Right? So exist clause becomes another way of subquery.